Okay, customer, she say we have dryer, it's working, but sometimes it's not working at all, and during the working cycle, when you open the door, it's not, it should stop, but it's not. So on this situation, you are just checking this. You see, it's a door lock, it's not working at all, it's broken. This is the problem. So we'll replace this and it will work. Pushing from this side, taking up. Before we have to unscrew these two screws with the Phillips. Take it back.
Unscrew this.
Working. We are putting new one.
I don't think my dog heard you, Archie, or he would have been out there to say hey to you. We got a lab, you know, he's real friendly.
Don't worry. So yeah, I love the pets, so you can.
He'll just jump on you. I mean, you know, he won't do, you know. Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow's his birthday, actually.
Wow.
He'll be 5.
Somebody take a getirdi. Ne adı şunu? Nice. Unscrew it back. And that's it. We're gonna check it right now. Here we go. So I unplugged it.